Where do I find a TV mount that is specially designed for the outdoors? So the perfect TV mount that has been designed for outdoor is this ZeboZap outdoor TV mount. This TV mount is a specially designed TV mount where you can strap it on any pillars like this one. This is a wood pillar, so I'm gonna show you how to do it on this wood pillar. So if you look closely, the ZeboZap outdoor pillar TV mount actually comes with a superb solution for you to mount your TV outdoors. So inside, firstly you have this, alright, so this is the main TV plate, and also you have a specially designed ratchet straps. Okay, ratchet straps. You have the main TV mount, okay, and here you have the vertical brackets used for the outdoor TV. So firstly, what you gotta do is you gotta take this TV plate and place the straps onto it. Okay, it's easy. What you do is you put it here, and this side here, put it in, and make it come out right at the front here. Alright, it's easy. It just takes you about seconds to do it, and there you go. So you do the same thing for the bottom one. So after you place the straps, you gotta place this TV mount on the pillar you intend to mount the TV on, and you fix this ratchets accordingly. You can do it alone, but if you really need help, then you can ask help from your friend to do it. Alright. So here you gotta place the strap into the ratchet. This is a specially designed ratchet to withstand the weight of the TV. It's very strong and steady, right? So you just pull this strap and you tighten the ratchet. You're just doing this, right? So after you have placed your ratchet strap, you gotta align this arrow right here. So you see the arrow. So align the arrow and just clip this TV mount into place. Okay, make sure the clip is open, and you just click it in. That sound indicates that the TV is mounted. So if you could see here, this is a full motion TV mount, and I'm going to place the TV mount right now. So as you can see, I've already placed these vertical brackets on the TV. So you have to do this before you place the TV onto the mount. So when you're done with that, you just lift your TV up and fix the TV onto the mount. Make sure it sits properly, and you're done. Okay, so here we have the safety screws for the TV mount. You gotta make sure that you fasten the safety screws. Make sure that the TV does not move after placing the TV. So that is, in my opinion, the best TV mount that you can get for outdoor use. Okay?